Foshan Lintratek Technology Company Limited was established in 2012 and has been deeply involved in the signal coverage and communication equipment industry for 14 years. As a national high-tech manufacturer, we are engaged in the integrated processes of product design, R&D, production, sales, and technical support. We focus on smart signal enhancement solutions for global scenarios and provide customized services for residential communities, commercial buildings, transportation hubs, rural areas, industrial parks, hospitals, schools, and retail channels. Our main products include cell phone signal boosters, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G digital fiber optic repeaters, portable signal amplifiers, elevator-specific signal boosters, underground garage signal coverage systems, multi-band signal repeaters, Wi-Fi signal coverage, whole house customization, and customized signal solution design. Our production process features well-equipped facilities and a comprehensive quality control system with products certified by IS 0900, 1 IS 01400, 1 IS 045001, CE Rose FCC, and other international standards to meet overseas market requirements. More than 155 countries and regions worldwide, covering over 400 cities, are benefiting from our reliable hardware products and professional signal solutions. After 13 years of development, the company has built an outstanding team of R&D technical support, sales, production, quality inspection, and logistics professionals, ensuring that we can provide end-to-end services from demand analysis and solution design to on-site installation guidance and after-sales maintenance. Our vision is to connect the world with stable signals and empower intelligent life through professional communication technology. We look forward to cooperating with you.